The exciting thing about the new role is the ability to work on the future capabilities that the company will bring, identify what those needs are, what's useful to the revenue generating parts of the business, and go off and work and create those in a place where we can take more risk, we can experiment, we can try new things. I was recently on the military program side, working on future vertical lift, so managing primarily the V-247 Vigilant aircraft, and then also working on the Marine Corps variant of the V-280. It's a really unique transition in that the folks that I had on my team previously were able to come over with me. We were working on the early stages of military-specific products, both with the conceptual design team and some of the platform-agnostic autonomy capabilities we've been developing. It was a natural fit for what we're trying to do on the innovation team. Probably the most fun I've had at Bell was working on the experimental V-22. It was actually in this hangar, in this spot when we had it. We did a lot of quick, high-impact, rapid prototyping projects from concept through flight test, proved the capability, and then we moved on to the next one. My favorite thing to work on is on the new product development side. There's a lot more degrees of freedom. It's more exciting to work. I grew up in the area. I've always seen Bell, as a local company. I saw first flight of the V-22 on the local news when I was like 10 years old. I started off assuming I was going to be in the automotive industry, but I was born in Fort Worth, not in Detroit. So aerospace is a big player around here, and it ended up being a really good fit. I've spent most of my time trying to answer that question for myself. I've inherited a lot of good talent. I'm just looking for making sure that we point them in the right directions on the choice opportunities where we can.